Hi, Smrity. Good evening. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. How are you doing? I am great.
I am doing wonderful as well. Thank you so much for asking. So, how's the weather at your place?
Weather is quite warmer here, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay.
We can't go outside in the afternoon. We feel very hot outside.
Okay. Okay. So, we say weather is very hot here, not warmer. We can say it's very
Okay.
warm, or we can say it's very hot here. Okay.
Okay. Weather is really hot here.
Yes. Yes. And a better word for that is it's scorching heat.
Scorching heat.
Yes. Which means
Okay.
very, very hot sunlight or sun rays. It is called as scorching heat. Okay.
Yeah. It's scorching heat here.
Ah, wonderful. Great, great. All right. So, Smriti, are you ready and are you excited for today's session?
Yes, I am completely ready. I'm so excited.
Okay, great. So we will be doing two activities today. Okay, let us start with an extempore activity. And let me give you a little brief. So, an extempore, as we had discussed earlier, is an activity where I give you a topic and you will have to speak on that topic for 2 minutes. Okay,
Sure.
I will look
Okay.
at the timer and I will see if you're speaking for 2 minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Okay. I'm
perfect.
ready.
All right. So, your topic is, what do you think is the importance of sports and education in someone's life?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
It's really very nice topic, ma'am. And these days, there are lots of sports activities also in our countries. Uh, all our government are encouraging, and girls are also doing and participating in all different kind of activities of sports.
Mhm.
Uh, and but we have to make a balance uh, um, in sports and education, because both are very important part of our life, and we can say it both are pillars of our life. If we only all the time we read and never participate any kind of sports, of we or we don't play outdoors, we just stay at home only, and all these just read or study or play indoor games, or in we just uh, pl- uh, uh, do all the time screen time, so it will be very harmful for our body.
Mhm.
But if we all the time just play outside, or just show our interest in sports only, so that's also not would be good for our overall development.
Mhm.
So it's, in my opinion, it's very important to be very balanced in both the things. So it is really very uh, important to we have to think about, and we should make a schedule for ourselves, and especially for our kids. It's very important, and we like why I am saying we, because I am a parent, and I always did this.
Mhm.
I make a schedule for both of my kids, my daughter, for my daughter and for my son, and
Mhm.
I just introduce them different kind of sports like table tennis, lawn tennis, and swimming, running, and football. And my both kids were very smart in the sports also, and as well as in the education side also.
Mhm.
So And if we just introduce them sports, so they become very punctual, and they learn lots of sportsmanship. It is also needed in our life. And mm, uh, but studies, we can't match anything if we talk about education and studies. So we always make a good uh, combination for both the things.
Mhm.
So here I will, in the end, I want to say a coin has two sides.
Mhm.
Uh, so we have to just think like here also, that sports and study will go hand in hand, and
Mhm.
we have to just think like this, and make a proper balance in both the thing, and make a proper schedule for both the things. And then only we can improve our lifestyle.
Mhm.
So
Wonderful.
that's right.
Very nice, Smriti. I really liked how you were able to, focus on both aspects of sports and education, and love the expressions that you uses hand in hand. Then you spoke about, so many other things. There are two sides to a coin. Very nice use of different phrases throughout your narration. And the best part is you spoke for almost 4.5 minutes. You also did not realize it, but very good
Yeah.
job done. I really liked it. Okay. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
mhm, you're most welcome. Now, a few things that we want to talk about is a few grammatical errors and a few other changes that are required. Okay. So, to
Sure.
start with, you said participate any kind of sports, right? So, we always participate in. You missed out the preposition. We participate in
Okay.
any kind of
In.
sport. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Participate
All
in.
in. Yes. Next is do all the time screen time. If we do all the time screen time, that is not a correct sentence grammatically. We can say if we spend a lot of time on our mobile phones, or if we have a lot of screen time in our life. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Yeah.
Not do a lot
I
of
was
screen
just searching these words,
time. Uh-huh.
and but I was not able to find.
You will get that hang of it with practice, and with
Yes.
regular listening to English and regular talking, you are going to work out on those. Okay, so don't worry about it,
Okay.
it's fine. And
Okay,
then
ma'am. Mhm.
the pronunciation of the word schedule.
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 Yes,
Okay.
it's called a
Schedule.
schedule.
Hmm.
Okay.
This is American
This
way of
is
saying
global. Currently we don't say
global.
schedule.
Okay.
All right, next.
Okay.
Education side also. Children
Mhm.
should pay attention to education side also.
Mhm.
We will not say side also. We will say children should pay attention to education, or children should also pay attention to their studies.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. And then
Mhm.
the last one. Every coin has two sides. Can you say what is
It was
incorrect
wrong.
here?
Ah, I should not
Ah,
put ah there.
excellent. Very nice. So good job that you were able to figure out the issue. Is not needed. A coin always has two sides. Yeah,
A coin always has two sides.
two sides. Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Very good job done. I really, really liked how you handled the question and how enthusiastically you answered it. So very nice. Okay, let's
Thank
move on to our next activity now. And this time we are going to do an activity which is called Would You Rather? Okay, it's a
you.
very
Okay.
interesting
Would you
activity.
rather?
Yes, I am going to ask you a question which will have two choices. Okay, now the trick is you have to select one choice and you will reject the other one. But you have to justify why you selected one And what was the reason that you rejected the other? Okay,
Okay. Sure.
all right.
Sure. I'm ready.
Okay, so your question is, Smriti, would you rather choose intelligence or wealth?
Intelligence always,
Okay.
because if we uh, as because if we have only wealth and no intelligence, so we can't uh, handle that and save our wealth, as well as we will feel very embarrassing in front of all other person and society.
Mm-hmm.
And if we don't have any kind of intelligence, then we feel like very I mean to say, so small in front of the world, and we can't actually stand in the society. So that's why intelligence, and through intelligence, we always can earn wealth, and by wealth we can learn, and we can uh, learn intelligence. But in my opinion, if I have only two choices, wealth or intelligence, I always prefer to choose intelligence only.
Wonderful. Great. I really liked how you answered that. And tell me this, I have a question for you. So, with wealth, we can buy or we can hire people who are intelligent, or with wealth, we can undergo a certain course or a study or something. But can we really uh, become intelligent with wealth? Like, can I, if I'm not intelligent, can I buy intelligence for myself, or I can just buy people who are intelligent and they will work for me?
Yeah, in lots of movies you must be watched this kind of
Must
situation,
have
that
watched.
must have watched this kind of situation. Like, I think one of the movie was that Akshay Kumar, Karishma, and Saif Ali Khan. I am not recalling the name this
Okay.
time now. And Akshay Kumar was quite he was not knowing anything, but he was a really wealthy person, and he kept as her advisor, or as
His advisor.
an yeah, his advisor
Hmm.
for Saif Ali Khan. So that time I felt that uh, only wealth, we can't be happy, or we can't feel satisfaction.
Ah,
We always want to show our this world that I also can uh, maybe I also can uh, uh, intelligent, and I
I
also
also
know
am
lots of things.
intelligent.
Yes, I also am intelligent.
Hmm.
So I just recalled that movie.
Okay,
uh,
okay. I think I understand what is it that you're trying to say.
yeah.
I feel you're trying to say that when somebody is not very intelligent, they
Mhm.
might feel a little conscious in going,
Yeah.
alone out in the world and facing people.
Mhm.
So that makes them
Mhm.
feel a little conscious and aware of people around them,
Yes,
right?
you are right. Yeah.
Okay. But I really like the
Mhm.
point where you stated that if you are intelligent, then you can earn money, you can earn wealth,
Yeah.
right? That is a
Yes.
very valid point.
Yeah.
Good
Mhm.
job. Okay.
Mm.
So, Smriti, one thing that I noticed here, you said to begin with, they feel very embarrassing. Okay.
Yeah. They feel very embarrassed, I think.
Feel very embarrassed. Right. So,
Mm.
feel and embarrassing will not go together. Okay,
Okay.
good
Okay.
job. You rectified your
Mm.
own error, so that's a very good thing. All right. So overall, Smriti, I felt today you did a great job and you were, quite on point with the topics that I gave you, although they were very random topics that I, gave you. but you did justice to them and you tried to rectify your own mistakes. That's a good sign of progress, right? And I will probably see you next time. And I really enjoyed having this conversation with you.
Yeah, same here, ma'am. I really enjoy your company, ma'am, really, very
Mhm.
much.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Priti, for joining in, and I will see you again. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, same here.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Likewise. Bye.